Good evening to the Makah community. Today is Tuesday, January 26, 2021. This is the Makah Tribe's COVID-19 pandemic response update. Just want to give a quick update to the community regarding the vaccine clinic that will be going on at the community gym tomorrow from the hours of 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Once again, there will be a vaccination clinic at the community gym from the hours of 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sophie Tredovic Indian Health Center is delivering those vaccinations to tiers 1 through 5. That information can be found on stihc.org. Once again, that's stihc.org. Tier 1, real quickly, Tier 1 is elders and essential workers living on the reservation. Tier 2 are adult residents of the Makah reservation with underlying health conditions. Tier 3 are all adults living and or working on the Makah Indian Reservation. And then Tier 4 are Makahs who live off the reservation. Tier 5 is going to include parents and guardians of Makah dependents, even if that is a temporary placement. So parents and guardians of Makah dependents are now allowed to receive vaccinations at Sophie Tredovic Indian Health Center. All Cape Flattery School District employees will also be allowed to receive their vaccinations if they choose to do that. Non-resident married spouses of Makahs are also included in Tier 5. And then Makahs include descendants of Makahs, so you don't have to be enrolled if you are a descendant of a Makah. And you need to also make sure that you're registered at Sophie Tredovic Indian Health Center. That is an important thing that you must do. If you don't know if you're registered or not, call 360-645-2233, and they can help assist in determining whether you are a registered patient or not. And if you're not, they can get all of that information and get you registered so you can receive that vaccination. Real quickly, we've given 690 doses of the vaccine through the Sophie Tredovic, of the first dose of the vaccine through the Sophie Tredovic Indian Health Center. So far, no severe reactions have been documented, and there's 616 of those vaccinations were to local community members, and 74 of those vaccinations were to non-community members that were either Makahs who returned home or people who work on the reservation for employment purposes. I want to thank the community for the efforts and turnout for the vaccinations. Our goal is to vaccinate as many of the nearly 1,100 adults that live on the reservation, and as many Makahs as we can and descendants as we can as supplies allow. Currently, we have a very good supply, and our supply chain has not had any issues in receiving these vaccines for our community, and we're working to make sure that continues. I want to thank you also for your continued efforts in wearing those masks in public spaces and taking all the precautions that are in the health order. More information can always be found on the stihc.org website. All right, everyone, have a good evening. Take care. Sure.